we are being selective. The process of application.
Yun ang ginagawa
the process
mo,
of application,
a
sir.
selective application of the law. Sinasabi natin walang requirement ng restitution. Will you agree?
I agree, sir. It is not explicitly stated in the law. It is not explicitly stated in the law, but
It is not explicitly stated in the law, but you're requiring them to restitute.
no, sir. Let me just explain, if you will allow me to finish. There is no explicit provision in the law calling for restitution. However, there is a memorandum of agreement whereby terms and conditions can be stated therein. And if there is agreement as to restitution,
Alam mo, yung
the same can
memorandum
be
of
included.
agreement, hindi siya kasamang restitution. Yung pagka siya ay na-admit na as state witness, kaya mo lang magsalalagyan ng memorandum so that he can cooperate with the DOJ in prosecuting this case.
Precisely,
Huwag mong
sir.
iisipin na i-include mo yun doon sa memorandum. You are debating from the law itself.
Welcome back to Master Kalog, and don't forget to subscribe and click notification bell for more updates.
Prosecutor Padulyon, ang pagkakaalam ko, kasi I was then the chairman nung nagpasya sila ng back-cover ng WPP at sa akin namang palagay based on the law, kailangan silang ma-process sapagkat nagpasya sila na gustong magpa-cover. Ang problema kasi at the time, the then Secretary of Justice made an opinion that the Discayas should first make restitution. Kaya doon po yata na-stall yun eh. Considering that restitution is not even one of the requirements para ma-process. Kasi nag-a-apply pa lang sila eh. I was trying to explain then, Mr. Chair, na in the process of the application of the Discayas, restitution is not one of the requisites. Kaya lang, pinipilit ni then Secretary Remulla, now Ombudsman, na magre-restitute sila. So, doon yata na-stall ang pinag-uusapan. Ngayon, ang pagkakaalam ko rin po, Mr. Chair, si Yusek Bernardo, parang he was already granted provisional, anong tawag ron?
Provisional admission, Mr. Chair.
So, if he was granted already provisional admission, was he required to restitute anything?
Sir, that is covered by the memorandum of agreement and is confidential. I cannot make that disclosure without any clearance from the Secretary of Justice.
Why?
Because the law provides for it, sir, that confidentiality is a matter which is stressed in Section 7 of the law.
So, Mr. Chair, ito na naman ang problema eh. Para malaman naman ng kahit sinong gustong mag-apply, kung ano ba requirements talaga. Was that restitution requirement covered by that? Yun lang naman eh. There's nothing secret in that. Ba't hindi mo sabihin?
Sir, it is contained in the memorandum of agreement.
Like nobody should know that a restitution was required by the Department of Justice?
The details of the memorandum of
I'm
agreement.
not asking for details. Sabihin mo lang, was it made a requirement?
Restitution is part of the details, sir, which is provided for in any memorandum of agreement if you're going to ask me. So if it is going
Bago
to
siya
be there-
makapag-apply, restitution will be required.
Not necessarily, sir.
O, eh,
Not
paano?
necessarily.
Ito kailangan sabihin ko, palagi kasing sinasabi ng mga ibang tao, I am trying to defend the Discayas. No, I am trying to maintain what the law says and provides. Dahil alam ko na wala namang sinasabing restitution, gusto naman nilang magpa-cover para sa ganun, may protection naman sila because they are aiding the state to prosecute kung sino-sino may kasalanan dito. Bakit hindi natin i-apply ang batas? Ngayon, sinasabi mo na naman, tinatanong ko lang, the restitution applied to Yusek Bernardo. He was granted already provisional admission. Ba't hindi mo maibigay man lang yun? There is nothing secret in that. Otherwise, pero meron kayong paborito, merong hindi. Parang namimili kayo. It is a selective process.
May I respond, Mr. Chair?
Yes, you may respond.
Again, we take exception to the statement of the good senator that we are being selective. The process of application.
Yun ang ginagawa
the process
mo,
of
you're
application,
making a
sir.
selective application of the law. Sinasabi natin, walang requirement ang restitution. Will you agree?
I agree, sir. It is
Oh.
not explicitly stated in the law. It is not explicitly stated in the law, but
It is not explicitly stated in the law, but you're requiring them to restitute.
no, sir. Let me just explain, if you will allow me to finish. There is
What?
no explicit provision in the law calling for restitution. However, there is a memorandum of agreement whereby terms and conditions can be stated therein. And if there is agreement as to restitution,
Alam mo, yung
the same can
memorandum
be
of
included.
agreement, hindi siya kasamang restitution. Yung pagka siya na-admit na as state witness, kaya mo lamang siya lalagyan ng memorandum so that he can cooperate with the DOJ in prosecuting this case.
Precisely,
Huwag mong
sir.
iisipin na i-include mo yun sa memorandum. You are deviating from the law itself.
There is no deviation, sir.
Sabihin mo sa akin kung anong provision that the memorandum will require restitution.
There is nothing in the law, again, which states
Ito
that...
yung problema ninyo. Palagi kayong ganyan kung makipag...
Ano, sir, we're being very candid with the
and then sasabihin nyo
committee.
take exception. Kayo ang nagte-take exception, pati batas binabago ninyo.
No, sir. If the Diskaya couple would want to be admitted, all they have to do is go through the same process. But it's not a matter only of...
Pumunta na sila.
Yes, sir. But they have not...
Alam mo, si Secretary Boying Rimulya ang nandito, nag-uusap pa sila dito. Okay? Sabi niya sa mag-asawa, Mr. Diskaya, sige, bukas na bukas, isama mo yung asawa mo, magkikita tayo sa dito. Nandito pumunta siya rito, kaya ang palagay ko noon, processing lang naman. If they will not qualify, okay lang sa akin yun. But, hindi nga sila natuloy sa process because they were required restitution. Kaya ang nakikita ko dito, merong blocking. Di ba? Napakasimple na pinag-uusapan natin, Prosecutor Padulyon. Huwag na nating i-complicate ito. We apply this law to everybody. Ngayon, tinatanong ko lang, okay lang naman kung qualified si Yusek Bernardo. I have nothing against Yusek Bernardo. Okay lang. Tinatanong ko lang, para yung application ng batas, parehas lang. So, halimbawa, kung wala namang restitution si Yusek Bernardo, why will you apply restitution to these people?
Sir, we did not... That was a statement made by former Secretary Rimulya. When they were referred to Department of Justice for processing, it was because there was a legislative inquiry which was going on, and the Diskaya couple, during the time that they were testifying, stated that they wanted to be provided security and protection. Immediately after they went to the department, said security and protection was provided to them without any consideration yet as to their application into the program. The evaluation for purposes of being considered in the program is a different process which has not been completed. That is the reason why they have not yet been considered as possible state witnesses in the
It
cases
was
which are
never
pending.
completed because you were insisting on restitution. Drop it. Para sa ganun, kung mag-a-apply sila at kung qualified sila, pagbigyan ninyo. Yun lang ang ano dyan.
No, sir. Again, let me disabuse the mind of the good senator. There is no requirement that for purposes of processing, they will have to go through or they will have to make restitution.
Yun nga
Because it will
sinabi ni
still go
Boying
through
Rimulya.
evaluation.
Sinasabi ko sa iyo, yun ang sinabi niya sa press conference niya. Sinabi niya yun eh. Alam mo, mag-a-apply lang eh, sinasabi ko. Kung restitution mangyayari at the end of, let's say, napakita talaga na meron silang pananagutan sa batas. Later on, restitution is talagang kailangan. Pero nag-a-apply lang yung tao eh. Kaya nga, Witness Protection and Benefit Program. There is no reason to burden these people for another requisite which is not even in the law. So, kung qualified sila, i-process natin. Kung nag-qualify, salamat. Kung hindi sila nag-qualify, wala tayong magagawa.
Mr. Chair, it is not as if the reason why they are not being processed is because of the restitution that you mentioned. The fact is...
Prosek, ang sinasabi ko, hindi, yun ang naging unang dahilan kasi, kaya siguro nabanggel ito. Maraming procedures dyan. Kaya lang, ang sinasabi ko, ang pinipilit kong ipaintindi sa'yo, ay yun doon pa lang nagkaano na eh. Doon pa lang na-stop na eh, sapagkat pinilit ni Secretary Boying, mag-restitute ka muna. Eh sabi ko, nawala na.
Mr. Chair, kung ang gustuhan po ng Diskaya couple is makonsider sila o ma-process sila, let's take away the aspect of restitution. But they have to comply first with the requirements, which is the submission of the affidavits to justify the department being able to evaluate the same. Let's not talk about restitution.
Tapos na. Okay na yun. So wala nang restitution. Mr. Diskaya, Ms. Diskaya, kung talagang gusto nyo at kung gusto nyo mag-apply talaga, ayun, wala nang restitution, pero kailangan mag-qualify kayo. Kung hindi kayo qualified, wala tayong magagawa. Unang-una, hindi nga natin alam, magkano ba yung restitution? Sino bang magkukwenta? Sino magtatago nito while nandyan yan? Paano kung halimbawa, hindi naman na kumpleto, hindi sila nag-qualify? O kung nag-qualify man lang sila as state witness, later on, nagkaroon nga sila ng konting sablay, pwede rin naman silang i-discharge as state witness. What happens to the restitution? Kaya para wala kayong sagutin, huwag nyo nang ipipilit yun, wala kasi sa batas yun.
Kaugnay sa mga impormasyon na inyong nalaman at sa mga issue na kaakibat nito, mahalaga ang inyong opinion at katwiran. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching.